Hello everyone, today we are demonstrating how to properly use a pH meter. We begin by taking the pH meter out of the storage container and rinsing it off with distilled water as done so in the video. We then place the pH meter into the first buffer solution, and we need to be careful and not let the pH meter touch the sides or the bottom of the beaker as it could damage the meter and not correctly calibrate. Once in the solution, touch the screen at the top where it says Sensors and pick Calibrate. Enter the pH of the buffer, which is 7.0, and rinse off the meter and repeat again with the next value, which will be 4.0. As she is rinsing it off again, we are about to prepare it for the next buffer solution, which is going to be a 4.0. As she is carefully switching it around into the buffer solution as it's making sure that it is calibrated, she then enters the value. You can do so on the screen either by using a stylus, a pencil, or even your finger. She then rinses off the pH meter again with the distilled water and places it back into the first buffer solution to make sure that it is correctly calibrated. And once it hits 7, you will for sure know that the pH meter is calibrated. After that is calibrated, we will then begin the first part of the experiment. We will take the pH of the known solutions, which we have. In this video, we are taking the pH of orange juice. We then write down the known pHs in the tables that we had created in your lab book for this week's. We then begin part 2 of the experiment. We create 4 solutions of 0.2 molarity of hydrochloric acid, or HCl, and acetic acid, which is HAC. For part 3, we now prepare a buffer solution by mixing sodium hydroxide and acetic acid. Take the pH of the tap water, as she is doing so in the video, and take the pH of the buffer solution as you just created and compare values. After you are done, please take the glassware to the sink and wash and dry. Put back all the glass in the correct places, and once you have done that, the lab is complete.